Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss accessing your mailbox, setting up your voicemail, and listening to messages. The first thing you need to know is this button here indicates your mailbox. If I push this button, it will dial the mail server. If you have voicemail set up on your phone, it will then prompt you for your password. Your default password is 2486 if one has not already been assigned. If you set one up yourself, then you will need to put in that PIN number. If you need your password or PIN reset, you can simply email us using the email address on the bottom of your phone, or you can dial 0 and we can help you with that. So I'm going to hit the mailbox. Now, something to know is this phone is our conference room training phone. So there is no mailbox set up on this phone. So I'm going to access my voicemail box, and you can access others' voicemail boxes if they do not have PIN set up. And that's why we strongly recommend that you put a PIN because everyone has the same default PIN address. Let's see. I'm going to dial this.
Comedian mail. Mailbox.
I'm going to put in my mailbox.
Password.
You can see if I put that PIN number.
You have no messages.
I have no
Press
messages.
2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options.
I'm going to press the 0 for mailbox options.
Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. Press 4 to manage your temporary greeting. Press 5 to change your password. Press star to return to the main menu.
So I'm going to hang up at this very moment because I do not want to record my main message. The difference between your unavailable message and your busy message is if you are on the phone, it will play the busy message. If you're not at your desk or you're unavailable, it will play the unavailable message. If you ask or if you set up the name, you can have it just say your first and last name. If you are on the phone and then that you don't actually have a voicemail greeting, it would just play your name. So either one is an option. The menu button is very intuitive. So once you hit your recording, you can hit pound and then you can actually listen to your message that you have recorded. If you need help setting up your voicemail, feel free to dial 0 and we can walk you through it, or you can send us an email at the very bottom of this phone at this email address of helpdesk@indianatelephonenetwork.com. We're here to help you. Thank you.